In this video, I'm going to show you the best settings and setup to vlog on a GoPro Hero 9. I'm going to show you what equipment I'm currently using, and I'm also going to show you what settings I'm using to get this footage. So this right here is the footage that you're seeing raw from the GoPro, and right now is footage which is color graded a little bit, which I've done in post in Premiere. So you can see the quality is actually really decent from a GoPro, and if you just mess around with the color grading a little bit, you can actually get really good quality from it. Notice as well the audio. The audio sounds pretty good, and I'm going to show you my whole setup and what I'm using in a second. And the audio is good because I've got a whole setup and I've got an external mic, which I'll cover in a second. So here are just some practical shots of just me walking with the scenery, just so you can really get a feel for what this is like and if you should buy one yourself. Because, by the way, I'm going to leave links in the description if you want to go ahead and check it out. I'll leave all the links to Amazon. So to get the quality like this, you kind of can't just buy a GoPro and hit record. Instead, what you need to do, you kind of need to buy a whole setup. So what we've got here, we've got the Ulanzi tripod. We've got the GoPro microphone adapter, which is like $50, which you have to buy to plug in an external mic. You've then got the Rode Video Micro and an external light here, which you can just turn on for low light conditions. So I'm going to go in detail why this is necessary in a second, and I'll give you shots of each individual product that you need to buy, and I'll link them as well in the description below. So first things first, we've got the GoPro Hero 9. Obviously without this rig wouldn't be anything. You need the Hero 9 for this rig. Next up, we've got the Ulanzi plastic case. This kind of houses everything and just makes everything connect to it. You've then got the Ulanzi tripod. Now this is great. You can have this at any length and you can open the feet so it kind of stands up by itself. You've then got the portable light, which you can use in low light. You've then got the Rode Video Micro, which is perfect and it's essential if you want external audio. And then you've got this thing here, which is the adapter, which allows you to plug the Rode Video Micro into the actual GoPro. So now let's go into the settings of my GoPro. So you can see I'm recording in the standard preset. I've just edited it. I'm recording in 4K 30 FPS. The lens is on linear. Hypersmooth is high. And that's pretty much everything on that page. Scrolling down, you've then got ProTune. So my bit rate is on high. Shutter speed is on auto. White balance is on auto. And this is all necessary for vlogging because you don't want to be messing around with that on the fly. Then scrolling down even further, you've got the sharpness on medium. GoPro for some reason likes to make the image really sharp. Put it on medium and you can make it sharper in post if you need to. And then that's pretty much all you need to do really. So that's pretty much it for the settings. And there's not a lot you can change really. Just make sure you're shooting in 4K 30 FPS. Make sure your sharpness is kind of on medium. And that's pretty much it really. Make sure all of your ISO and shutter speed is on auto as well. So not only can you use the GoPro to vlog handheld, you can also kind of like extend it, and it's got 3 little feet here which you can just kind of prop up anywhere. So this is what the GoPro looks like and what the audio sounds like when I'm kind of like a meter away from the GoPro, which is perfect for getting walkaway shots as well when you're vlogging. So all in all, that is the GoPro setup, and it's very windy right now, so this is a real true test to see what it really is like. But it's high quality, it's nimble, it's easy to use. You don't even have to have the light on there if you don't want to. I'm literally not using the light in daytime. If it was nighttime, it would be a different story. I would have to use it if I wanted to get decent audio. But yeah, if you want to go ahead and buy any of these parts and get this whole setup, I'll leave a link to everything in the description below. They'll all go to Amazon. It will be the cheapest link, so go ahead and buy them. Make sure you do leave a like if this video was helpful, and make sure you comment if you've got any questions, because I'll be active and I'll try and help you guys out. Thank you for watching, and make sure you do subscribe.